Hello guys, I'm Herman. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I made a project to explain how water can be pumped automatically from a borehole to refill a tank using a fuel pump which I got from a vehicle, a bunch of cables as sensors, and a microcontroller for the automation of the whole thing. Let's get started. To make this project, I used two buckets, one bucket as the borehole and the other bucket as the tank. In the borehole, we have a sensor that always ensures that there's water before allowing the pump to start. If not, the pump will burn out since it's water cooling. As you can see, the sensor is made up of two cables, one connected to 5V and the other one connected to the microcontroller terminal configured as input. Now let's go to the tank. In the tank we have 4 sensors which are also made up of cables. In this case we have 5 cables where 4 of them are connected to the microcontroller terminal configured as input and one connected to the 5V, so water plays the role of a switch in this case. Now let's go to the controller. On the controller we have an LCD display which shows the water level in the tank, the state of the pump, and the availability of water in the borehole. We have the microcontroller that does the automation of the whole thing. We have LEDs that also show the position of the water in the tank. We have a relay that is used to switch the pump on and off. We have a 5V power supply for the LCD and the microcontroller, and a 12V power supply for the pump and the relay. Let's power the thing on so you can see how it works. As you can see, the microcontroller detected that the source is dry, which means that the borehole has no water. So what we are going to do now is to fill water in the borehole. As you can see, the sensor detected that there is water in the borehole and the tank is empty, so it automatically switched on the pump to fill the tank. So in the tank, the first sensor has detected the presence of water. The second level is up. The borehole is getting emptied while refilling the tank. The third level is up. And now the fourth and the last level. As you can see right there, the controller has detected that the tank is full and then automatically shut down the pump. You can also see that by simply viewing the state of the LEDs. Since the system is automatic, if water goes low in the tank, the pump will automatically pump water from the borehole to the tank without any human intervention. This is what makes the system automatic and very useful for homes. Okay guys, that's all we have for this project. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time on the next one. Goodbye.